Lakshmikant Shukla, who's a technical analyst, institutional research at Yes Securities. The first question, in fact, that I had for you in terms of the sectoral picture that you're seeing, you do have IT that is at this point just sort of languishing in trade as well. So what do you make of this particular pocket of the market then?
Today, I think Nifty IT and FMCG, Nifty IT and Pharma was the only two sectors which were languishing. And if we look at the structure of Nifty IT index, then it is approaching toward its 100-day moving averages, which is placed around the mark of 42,850. And when TCS result has come out, then we have seen upside move, but after that, Nifty IT gave up all the gains and started trading near its 100 DMA. So I think we could expect some breakdown below the levels of 42,800. So that would be the support levels for IT index. And once it reaches this support, then we could see further downward pressure in the in this IT index. So even if we look at the stocks, except TCS and Infosys, most of the IT stocks are not performing well. Even we have seen profit booking in SCL Tech due to the unfavorable management commentary, and we have seen sharp decline. So overall expectation of downside in IT index, what we could infer from looking at the chart.
Okay, Lakshmi, do tell us, this was your view on the IT pad now, but help us understand that where are the markets headed to? Because, from last 2 days, what we have seen is that market is a very range-bound session. And today also, it was a very tight range in which the index moved. And, completely the indices failed to fall, to generate or maybe to go leg up from here. Are we in for more consolidated session? What is that you're reading on indices, on Nifty and Bank Nifty both?
See, after 7 to 8 days of decline, Nifty has respected the psychological levels of 23,000 mark, and then after it has made a narrow range kind of around 100 to 150 point of range, and for the last 2 to 3 days, it has been forming doji kind of pattern. Still, we are missing that follow through of buying. So, however, it has retained its previous swing high of 23,350. So moreover, we expect the consolidation in the upcoming sessions with the key support levels which are placed around the mark of 23,000 followed by 22,800. But while moving on the upside, Nifty could face challenges near its 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, which is coming from the recent decline from the top of 24,857 to 23,047. So I think that would be the crucial hurdle for Nifty to surpass it. So 23,500 would be the major hurdle. Once Nifty crosses this 23,500, then we could say that Nifty will out of the wood and we could see some more higher momentum in the index. Now talking about Bank Nifty also given extended this pullback move, but again while moving on the upside, it need to surpass its immediate hurdle of 49,500 until we get a decisive breakthrough of the levels of 49,500. We remain tentative in Bank Nifty. And we could see profit booking if it failed to cross that 49,500. Then in that case, it could retest its prior swing low of 48,200 to 48,500, where its firm support is seen. So for moving of the on the upside, it need to surpass the levels of 49,500, from where we could see some more strength in Bank Nifty.
So seems like till the time markets indices are not going to take a decisive move, the further leg up or maybe the buying action would not come up with a conviction. But then in that case, Lakshmi, what would your top trades that you want to recommend to our viewers?
So I think, as you already said that at the beginning of the show, that some of the insurance stock are getting traction in the market. So my first pick from the insurance sector, that is ICCI GI. So I have seen a consolidation breakout in this stock, and day before yesterday it has formed a hammer kind of formation, and today we have seen follow through buying momentum with the formation of bullish candle. So I think that would be the good stock from where we can see strength in the upcoming sessions. So one can buy around the levels of 1,900 to and could expect the upside move toward the levels of 2010 with the stop loss of 1850 on the downside. Second recommendation is related to Nika. So this stock has given falling trend line breakout on the daily chart, and we could expect a double bottom breakout on the daily as well on weekly chart with the formations of bullish candle. And for the last 3 days, if we look at the structure of Nika, then it has been forming higher tops and higher bottom. So we could expect that upside move, or we can say pullback move, will extend higher toward the levels of 185. While taking long position in the stock, one has to keep the stop loss of 170 on the downside. So these are the two picks where we are seeing strength.
Counters that Lakshmikant Shukla is taking stock of in terms of the ones that make it to his list. But thank you so much with that, Lakshmikant, for joining us. But